Good morning. I'm in the process of installing a new electric starter on my Troy-Bilt Storm 7524. Now this one came with replacement hardware, but I discovered just by accident that the new screws are longer than the old screws. And as a result, no matter how much you tighten this screw, it'll never securely fasten that starter in place. So this is just a quick tip to keep an eye on the length of your hardware and make sure that it doesn't bottom out before the screw is tight. Now the one on the right is new and the one on the left is the old, and I'm going to use the old hardware in this case. Thanks for watching. Take care.